Well, there's a lot of competitors on the market. There's obviously some not such good quality, and the tier 1 doesn't mean anything because that's just the financial security of the company, not the quality of the panel. So I'd rather pay extra to get good quality panels rather than have something less expensive that goes to landfill in 5 years' time. Well, they've got a good guarantee. They've got a very small degradation rate year on year, so I'm looking to get 20 years out of the panels, hopefully a little bit more, who knows. It's a question of the power of the panels, obviously, a question of the guarantee, a question of the performance with temperature, as the temperature goes up, and a question of how much it degrades each year. All of those factors went into the selection of the panel. So I really chose the panel and the preference for microinverters first up before I actually found a supplier. The reliability has been really, really good. The panels are beautiful. Not one of them has caused me a problem. This is almost 10 months later. None of the inverters have caused a problem. The software system is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. You can track everything. On optimum days, each panel generates just a shade under 300 watts. So, fairly pleased with that. And it all matches up to the electricity provider that I sell the excess solar to. So everything adds up.